Hello guys, welcome to Belmont Toys, and I got something to show you guys. This guy is a singing skeleton. I think he's a ghost or a skeleton, but you guys could know that this is actually a skeleton. Wherever he is, this guy is from. Let's see what's toy that makes this guy, and he is from Sound and Light. And let's see, it's year that he was made. I had this guy since last year, so he's actually a 2021 singing and dancing skeleton guy. He sings the parody of this original song called I'm Sexy and I Know It, but this guy says I'm scary and I know it. So let's play him, shall we? Let's see how you. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna play him on the floor, alright? Hold on, let me disconnect the charger from my phone. Okay, let's play him on the floor. Let's see how good he is on the floor. I doubt it would be any better on the floor, but hey, it'll be better. Angle. Okay, now I'll play him on the floor. Okay, and I think I got another toy that I can view, but this guy still in working condition. Thank God that he moved with me, and I'm gonna keep this guy with me all times. Halloween is coming up, so I got Halloween toys to view, whether they're scary, deadly, or anything. All right, let me get one more toy to view, and then we can wrap this video up. Alright, we put him to the side. Okay, this guy, he also sings and wears his tag. Let's see, right here. Hold on. Right here. And it looks like he is from. If you guys are familiar with this one is, I believe this one has to be. Hold on, let me clean the camera. Okay, as I was saying, I believe this one is from C. Right here. It's from. Hold on, let me zoom in a little clearly. If you guys are familiar with this guy is from for Gemmy Toys Industry Crop. If you guys have a Gemmy Industry Crop, let me know in the comments. And this guy is a FireBall singing shaking booty mummy. Let me put him right there. And I thought I told him I thought I got him at the video. I think I got okay. Alright. The reason why he's dirty like this because I had him since 2019. That's why he's so dirty. But he's still working good and he's still hanging in there. He may have a little rip somewhere, but it don't matter. It's still my favorite characters. Okay. Who is your favorite character? This guy for Sounding Lights or this guy for Gemmy in Industry Crop? Okay, let me know. All right. See you guys next time on another toy review. Love you guys. Don't forget to smash that like. I really appreciate it. All right. Bye guys.